Hi guys, welcome to our Zen Den. My name is Valerie and thank you so much for watching. So from what you can see in the title of this video, I won a Violet Voss giveaway and I was shooketh to say the least. I had completely forgotten about it, and when it arrived to my house, I carried it to my room and it was so heavy. I'm like, what on earth did I win? I thought it would be super fun to show you guys everything that I won, and thank you so much Violet Voss. I appreciate everything that you guys sent to me. If you guys want to see what I got, just keep watching. Alright, so if you guys didn't know this is my birthday month. My birthday is the 22nd, so I full on made this my birthday gift because y'all, it's a lot of stuff and it's just such an awesome surprise because I haven't bought myself something with so big in such a long time, so I felt like I really needed this, and this really like lifted my spirits from all the crap that I've been feeling. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the box. It's huge. It's like a million times bigger than my head. I took off the address, that's why it looks a little ugly. Okay, so I've never done a video like this, so I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna show you guys randomly. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the biggest one. This is the Ride or Die. I know a lot of people love this palette and I've never been able to grab my hands on it. The packaging is actually the same thing, the same holographic vibes. This palette though, freaking gorgeous. It literally has every single shade that you need. This is like the perfect nude palette. I love it that it has like oranges, it has blacks, it has grays, so it has a little bit of everything, and honestly this is literally a ride or die. The quality of Violet Voss palettes are A+. Okay, so the next one is called Matte Vibes, and this is the outer packaging. I really don't know what it's called, so I just call everything packaging, but this is it. And then the back has all the shades and the names, which is so cool. I love that. I mean, obviously I've already opened all of these, but I never get bored of opening these because I love eyeshadow palettes. That's definitely my favorite part of doing makeup, and taking 2 hours to do a look, like this took me like 3 hours to make, but who's counting? I have been loving all matte looks, so this just screams like a beautiful ombre matte look. Also, if you guys see any palettes that you want me to use and create looks with, please let me know because I want to play with all of them so bad. I will let you guys know what I have in my eyes today because it is Violet Voss. So yeah, this is the Matte Vibes. So this is the next palette. This is the Flamingo one. I freaking love this packaging. I don't know if it's because I'm from Florida, Miami. This is one of my favorite ones that I got. Not only the packaging, but the inside is beautiful. It's the same thing. It just has two little flamingos, which is so cute. It has blues, orange, pink, yellow. I am obsessed with this palette. Honestly, I am dying to make a full look with this palette, so let me know if you guys want me to use this one too. Alright, so the next one is called Like a Boss, and this one is just like the Ride or Die, that the packaging is holographic. It's so beautiful. I played with this like the same day that I got it, and I already had Violet Voss palettes, but y'all, the quality of these palettes are chef's kiss. This is what she looks like out of the cardboard packaging. This is the palette inside, which is absolutely beautiful. Let me zoom you in. I don't know what it is, but I am obsessed that there's like red, orange, yellow, and green vibes to it. I love that because I love my earthy tones, and this just screams like fall with a little pop of green or a pop of yellow. Oh my god, it's so delicious. I cannot wait to do a full-on look with this. Yeah, this is like my favorite one. I've already used Smart AF, which is the one right here, and literally the mattes, the shimmers, they're all performed so well, so I love it. I got a bunch of minis and this is one of them. This is called Oh Snap, and it's the little gingerbread man. It's so cute. This one is actually really pretty. I didn't really know they made mini palettes, so when I got this, I'm like, these are perfect. Like I can see myself giving this as gifts to like family or friends. And this is the actual packaging, which is so freaking cute, perfect for the holidays. This is the inside, which is beautiful. This is so perfect for an everyday girl who loves her neutral shades, and it's so cute because it's themed of Christmas, so this is a perfect gift. Okay, so this is the next one. This one is the Rainbow Mini Palette. So pretty. Obviously, you know, it's gonna be a rainbow colored palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. It has literally all the colors. I did use this. I used this middle purple shade when I first got it, and it applied so buttery. I got like 4 minis, so I'm not done yet. This is the other one that I got. It's Le Macaroon, and this one is literally my dream. I freaking love this palette. They're not super out there and bright. I love these greens and purples. Oh, it's just so pretty. Okay, so I'm getting close to finishing all the palettes, and I wanted to leave the best for last because I wanted to show you guys what I used on my actual eyes. And this is the main palette that I used. This is the Coral Crush palette, which is gorgeous, and this is the back with all the names and the shades of the names. So this is the actual palette. I love that little reflected thing. I don't know, I'm sorry guys, I feel like I am talking so much about the packaging, but I truly love it when brands pay attention to the detail of the packaging, because ultimately that's what sells it to you guys. Well, at least to me. I mean, obviously the palette has to be pretty, but if the packaging is pretty also, girl, I'm freaking getting it. This is what the palette looks like. So let me just zoom you guys in and show you guys what I have on my eyes. Basically, I put this shade, it's called Obsessed, which I'm obsessed with, ironically. I actually put that with, I'll leave all description of everything that I'm wearing right now down below so you guys can see exactly what I'm wearing. But I basically put that really tight to my crease, the Obsessed shade. And then I went ahead with this one called Lounging, and I spread it out. So that is the lighter shade that you see on top. I just blended it with the Obsessed shade and it made it super pretty. I'm gonna stay zoomed in, but this is another mini palette that they sent me. This is their Sparkling Cherry Lemonade palette. Look how cute this is. It's so rainbowy and super summery, and this yellow right here is what I used. It doesn't have a name or anything, but this is the one that I used all over my lid. It's so pigmented, guys, like seriously, it came out so pretty. I love it. Okay, so after I applied the yellow and everything, I applied this beautiful shade called Reef, and I applied it loosely, like all over my lower lash line. So yeah, that's what's like on the outer part of my lower lash line. And then I used BFF and I tightly pressed it into my lower lash line, so that is what is basically like almost touching my lower lashes. So that's what I applied. Let me zoom you guys out. Alright, so I have like future good news, because some of these things that came in are doubles that I have, and obviously I'm not gonna use them. I haven't even finished the ones that I originally got, so I'm definitely gonna save these two for a future giveaway, hopefully. I want to gather enough things to make it like fun, you know, but I'm not gonna give away just 2 eyeshadow palettes and that's it. Like, I want to gather some things and make it fun for you guys, so definitely be on the lookout for that. And I'm talking about the Holy Grail palette, which is beautiful. I will show you guys the one that I have, which is already open, but this one is completely sealed. Like, the tapes are completely sealed on both sides, so I haven't even bothered to open it because why would I open it? And then I'm talking about the Essentials palette, which I also have, which I also love. Beautiful palette. This one is without a packaging, so I can actually open it, but I haven't swatched it, obviously. That's gross if I'm gonna give it to you guys. This is literally essentials because this is every day, and if you want to feel kind of fun, you can put this green, and it has like a purple here, so I can't wait for one of you guys to win this. Let me show you. This is the one that I have, my original My Holy Grail. I've given it some love. This is what she looks like. I am obsessed. It's a perfect blend of like neutrals with pinks with orange. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I love this palette. Definitely keep your eye out because I'm gonna be giving away these two. I don't know yet, so definitely follow me on my social media because I will let you know there first, but you definitely have to be subscribed to me and all of that, so I will let you know when I gather enough goodies so I can give it to you guys, but just know that these two are gonna be in the giveaway. All right, so this is, guys, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know how obsessed I am with shimmers, and they send me their freaking glitter toppers with a beautiful packaging and everything. Oh my gosh, look at these glitter colors. Let me zoom you guys in because I'm using one of them on my eyes right now. If you guys can see, in the inner corner I have some pretty shimmer in there, and the one that I used is this one, which is called Milky Way. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I don't even think the camera can pick up how gorgeous it looks in person. It's so shimmery. Let me turn off the lights, maybe it'll help. I don't really know if that helped or not, but in person they are extremely shimmery, so y'all know I'm so obsessed with shimmers, and when this came in, girl. So the one that I used is this one all the way to the end. The rest, like this one is so freaking beautiful and holographic. This one's like a goldy shade. This one's a pink rose gold shade. This one is also a gold, but it has a reflex of greens and orange and blues. It's beautiful. This is Milky Way, which is the one that I use. All right, and the last products that I got are lashes. I'm actually wearing one of their lashes, obviously. Honestly, I love these lashes. They are so beautiful and I love how fluffy but like natural they still are. Let me look to this side. They're not super long and I feel like I would wear this all the time. They're gorgeous. And I checked on their website and their lashes are not even expensive. They're like $10 a pair, which is super affordable. And let me show you guys the other lashes that I got. This one is called Just Saying. Super pretty. I like it a lot too. There's like 2 lashes that I don't like, so I will be adding that to the future giveaway, just FYI. This one is so weird because it didn't come with a name. There's no name on either side or either surface. Yeah, I don't know, but it's still beautiful. I really like this pair. It's I guess no name. And the next one is called, oh my god, I love this name. It's called I do not care. Oh, why did I just crave a donut? Thanks, eyelashes. And this is what they look like. Super pretty. I love it. And the packaging is really, really cute as well. And the next one, it's called Fire and Ice. They stay with these eye puns and I'm here for it. I freaking love that. And these are really intense. I think these I'm gonna give away. They're so beautiful. And like at the end, you can see how fluffy they are. Oh, beautiful. I haven't opened them obviously because I don't want to touch anything that I'm gonna give to you guys, but yeah, this is one of the ones that I'm gonna give away. And the last one that they sent me, which are really, really pretty, this one is called I Want It That Way. Backstreet Boys coming in, and this is what they look like. Very, very fluffy. I'm sorry, the ring light is just, you know. Alright guys, that is it for all of the things I got in my giveaway. Thank you so much, Violet Voss. I really appreciate everything. I am gonna use everything and love everything, so thank you so much. And thank you guys for watching. I really hope you liked this video. Please don't forget and let me know if you want me to use one of these palettes or anything else. Please let me know. Also, keep in mind that I will be doing a giveaway in the near future, so definitely subscribe and like this video. Also, follow me on my social media handles because I will definitely let you know when I do the giveaway. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this look. If you want a tutorial on this look, please let me know. I will love to do that for you guys. I hope you have an amazing day and thank you so much for watching. Bye!